Welcome to another dependable concrete video. In today's feature, we're showcasing our project in Nicetown, PA, where we took a peeling, dusty basement and transformed it into a clean, dust-free space. Let's drop down and take a look at this basement. As you can clearly see, these walls have exposed stones with deep pockets that provide opportunities for rodents, insects, and moisture to enter the basement. When we complete this project, all deep pocketed holes will be filled with mortar cement, restoring the strength of the foundation walls. In addition, the walls will be aesthetically pleasing with a flat, leveled surface. Now that the walls have been prepped, it's time to apply the cement. We begin by filling all the deep holes first, allowing them to dry before adding more layers of cement. The goal is to build out the pockets first until the area is flat with the remaining wall. When this project is completed, the walls will be as flat as drywall. Scratching in between coats is important because it helps the next coat of cement to adhere to the previous coat. It's day 2 and the first coat of cement is scratched and ready to receive the final coat. The final coat is complete and we are further flattening the walls with a sponge. At Dependable Concrete, we aim to level our walls to give it a drywall-like look, saving our clients thousands of dollars from hiring a carpenter to install studs and drywall. Please like, share, and subscribe by clicking the yellow mixer icon. Thank you.